Welcome to AI Chronicles, where we explore the most thrilling advancements in the world of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, diving into today's topic that's set to redefine our interaction with technology. Get ready to be amazed by what the future holds. Imagine a world where robots don't just assist, but lead in the kitchen, effortlessly preparing meals with precision. Today we're unveiling a groundbreaking project by student researchers from Google DeepMind and Stanford University. This isn't just another robot. It's a glimpse into a future where machines can do what was once thought uniquely human. Stay tuned as we unveil the mobile Aloha, a robot that's cooking up a storm in the world of AI. Imagine stepping into a world where the lines between human dexterity and robotic capability blur into a seamless dance of innovation and efficiency. This is the world of mobile Aloha, a groundbreaking project at the forefront of robotics and AI, developed by the ingenious minds at Google DeepMind and Stanford University. Mobile Aloha isn't just a robot, it's a harbinger of a future where machines not only assist, but also lead with precision and grace. The genesis of mobile Aloha lies in the collaborative efforts of Google DeepMind and Stanford University. This project is the brainchild of a team of visionary researchers, Xiang Fu, Tony Zhi, and Chelsea Finn. Each member brings unique expertise and insight, merging the realms of AI learning and robotic agility. Their collective endeavor has given birth to a machine that redefines the boundaries of technological possibilities. Imitation learning is the backbone of mobile Aloha's learning process. Unlike traditional robotic programming that relies on rigid commands, imitation learning introduces a dynamic where the robot observes and assimilates human actions. This approach enables mobile Aloha to not just replicate human actions, but to understand and adapt them, bridging the gap between robotic obedience and human-like spontaneity. The brilliance of mobile Aloha is further amplified by its co-training methodology. It's akin to a chef learning from both a basic cookbook and a gourmet guide, mastering the culinary art in its entirety. Mobile Aloha's training involved learning from basic tasks performed in a stationary position, and then advancing to more complex tasks that required mobility and coordination, just like a seasoned chef moving around a bustling kitchen. Mobile Aloha is a marvel of engineering, boasting features that set new standards in robotic technology. Its advanced sensor arrays and articulated joints allow for an unprecedented level of task execution with meticulous precision. These high-tech features empower the robot to handle complex tasks, showcasing a level of dexterity that rivals human capabilities. The demonstrations of mobile Aloha's capabilities are nothing short of remarkable. From expertly cooking shrimp to deftly navigating a kitchen, its performance is a testament to the project's success. Each task performed by the robot exemplifies its adaptability and precision, marking significant achievements in the field of robotics. The technological innovations embedded in mobile Aloha mark a significant leap from previous robotic models. Its ability to perform tasks with human-like dexterity and intelligence showcases the immense progress made in robotic technology, setting a new benchmark for future developments. The potential applications of mobile Aloha are vast and varied. Its versatility opens doors to numerous possibilities in different sectors. From performing hazardous tasks in industrial settings to assisting in domestic chores, mobile Aloha stands to revolutionize the way we interact with machines in our daily lives. Despite its groundbreaking achievements, mobile Aloha is not without its challenges and limitations. Issues such as size constraints and limited reach in certain tasks pose challenges that the team is actively working to overcome. Future iterations of the project aim to address these limitations, making the robot more adaptable to various environments. The introduction of mobile Aloha into various industries could have transformative effects. Its ability to perform tasks with high efficiency and precision could revolutionize industries by enhancing safety and productivity. The economic and social impacts of such a technological integration could be profound and far-reaching. The advancement of robotics, as exemplified by mobile Aloha, brings with it a host of ethical and societal considerations. issues around job displacement, privacy, and the changing nature of human-robot interactions come to the forefront. These considerations are critical as we navigate the evolving landscape of AI and robotics. Mobile Aloha not only represents the current pinnacle of robotics, but also signals the potential trajectory of future developments in AI and robotics. Its contributions lay the groundwork for further advancements, painting a picture of a future where robots are integral to our daily lives, enhancing our capabilities and experiences. Mobile Aloha is more than a technological achievement. It's a beacon of the future, illuminating the path towards a world where AI and robotics seamlessly integrate into our lives. As we stand at this juncture, the possibilities are limitless, and the future of AI and robotics is bright with promise and potential. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the latest in AI and robotics. Mobile Aloha is just the beginning of a new era, where robots could become our everyday companions, assisting in ways we've only dreamed of. If you're as fascinated by this as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Chronicles. Your support helps us bring more such exciting content to you. Stay tuned, stay curious, and let's continue to explore the wonders of AI together.